So a little bit of this is going to be burned out because I'm standing right in the sun, but I've got to have sun in order to show you how to use the signal mirror. So I have a wazoo belt. Anyway, inside of my wazoo belt in the belt buckle is a signal mirror. So these signal mirrors have a little hole so that you can put your eyeball up to it and it gives you a little reflection. That's just complicated. I don't know why people do that. So there's a real simple way that you can do this, okay? Stick your arm out, find where that reflection is happening, and put it right on the back of your hand, all right? I think that you can see that on the back of my hand. Now all I need to do is make a split V, put whatever I want to hit inside that V, and then run that light right up that V, just like this, okay? And what that's going to do is just target. I can put my hand out here, you know, find my spot here. I can do this from clear over here and still shoot it at that target. So as an example, if you were a flying airplane and I go like this, I can shoot that right at you, okay? Once I've got the spot, there's my signal. All right, guys, so that's just a real quick down and dirty. Stick your fingers out like this. Find wherever your reflection is. Obviously, I got to be at a good angle to the sun. Hit the back of your hand, and then target whatever you're going to hit, and run it right up like that. Okay?